Yesterday we had a trend day down, and I not until today I didn't fully got the bigger picture in mind, because I was reviewing one of the preparations from previous week when we were trading higher here, and since those lows we basically didn't correct the inventory. So from those early lows, inventory was getting longer and longer, and we did correct some of it, but not not everything. So while this movement was not that strong, and here we had some long liquidation later in the day, there might be some importance to the bigger picture, that those longs were also getting tired of no follow through higher, and that's why we did liquidate. We ended up around, I think, halfway back through into this move, or if I pin this here, well, it depends how I start the swing high. So we corrected now a little bit more of this move and are testing this previous balance highs, and this is the next important zone. If we can get higher, we will rotate back to the yesterday's high basically, and if we trade lower, we can explore lower, testing those higher volume nodes and so on. We did correct those three gaps we had in the previous week, so the structure is better than earlier, but there are still some areas we can explore lower. The biggest one is 3360, which is this high volume node, and below that we have this gap here, which I think should hold. We can maybe test it and get higher if we ever get here. But looking at yesterday's session, I got really lucky, to be honest, because I got short around daily highs and held through entire session my short, exiting some of it here, later here, and some of it here, and my last exit was on this M pop-up. I was playing with this chart, and here my exit was on this red dot. Well, I did exit a little bit earlier, but I didn't have reason to exit earlier, and we were one time framing down, so this was double confluence to hold it. But this is not that ideal situation to be in a short from the highs, because I was having a minimal position on, and I wasn't that prepared to look for the best opportunities of the day. So if I wasn't short, I might be getting some better trades with full size on. So we were balancing here, and on the breakdown of this balance, this might be a short opportunity here with full size on. Not sure. Well, of course I am very happy, because I got most of this move on slight size, but nevertheless many people got run over yesterday. But looking forward into the future, if I ever am going to be a elite professional, I think this is something I should focus on, to get the most of those days, not just get anything. So yeah, this move was technical. We had some poor lows, poor highs in, for example, C period, only filling the singles, FE period, getting back to IB lows and those overnight lows. Then here those poor lows was indication of weak sellers, and this move wasn't on that great of a volume, just average, so it wasn't anything spectacular. Worth noticing is that we made an outside day with regards to this day, so the move was quite substantial, and now we are balancing. The rundown period got us higher, and now we are balancing around single prints from yesterday. So overnight inventory isn't extended in any direction. We are fairly close to settle, so there won't be too many trapped traders that closed with a position on. So now it depends how the day develops, and I think I should treat this part of the day below singles fill as a lower distribution, and we can balance around here. If we break overnight to the upside, I think we can challenge those singles, and it depends if we can crawl higher. I can get on longs, and if we can get below overnight low, then I am not sure I can enter on any shorts, because we are somewhat extended to the downside. So probably I will wait to see how the structure develops, so I could lean on something. For example, if we clean yesterday's low and come back, it would be an opportunity to get back to overnight point of control if we don't open at this point of control. But for now we are trading at overnight point of control, so this is the fairest price, and this is one of the most probable setups that we will revisit it in the US session. So that's not an opportunity for today. I hope we can build some structure early on. For example, after 3-4 periods, I can see if we are trending. If we made some poor or weak references, I can trade against and then trade appropriately.